How to use Claude AI to build an app for free. So your first step is to decide what app you want to build. If you want a web app, it runs on your browser. It's actually quite the easiest to get done. If you want a mobile app, it's harder, but it's possible. If you want a desktop app, it is. You could also create a Chrome extension or a software as a service tool can be created using Claude as well. All right. So once you have decided on what you want to build, all you need to do is simply prompt Claude properly. So instead of telling Claude, build me an app, be more specific. So all you need to do is enter something like this. Act as a senior software engineer. Help me build a simple web app that allows users to enter their name, save notes, and now click on send. So once you have entered the prompt, just click on send. As you can see, it's currently working in the background to get your app created. And all you need to do is you can also run it locally by installing VS Code, creating a new folder, pasting the files that Claude has generated inside, and then double click on the index.html. Well, on that later, we now have our web app that actually works. You can save your notes, you can write, you can give it a title. It looks quite clean and it looks really relevant and good. All right, and now once you're done here, you can also deploy it so you can host your app for free using GitHub, Vercel, or Netlify. And then you can also create a mobile app if you want, but it's a more in-depth process. All right, just go ahead and copy the code that has been created here and simply paste it in. Follow the instructions from Claude and simply paste your code in, and it should be done. All right.